unpacking the meaning of "that's a bombshell." Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're diving into a fascinating phrase that you might have come across in English conversations, movies, or books. That's a bombshell. This expression is packed with meaning and emotion, and understanding it can add a new layer to your comprehension of the English language. So, let's explore what it means, where it comes from, and how you can use it in your own conversations. The phrase, "that's a bombshell," is used to describe a piece of news or information that is both surprising and shocking. It's the kind of announcement that can change the way you see a situation completely. The word bombshell itself refers to something that has a sudden and dramatic effect, much like an actual explosion. In most contexts, this expression is used to highlight the unexpected nature and impact of the news. To fully appreciate the phrase, it helps to know a bit about its history. The term bombshell has been used in English since around the 17th century, but its meaning has evolved over time. Initially, it referred literally to explosive bombs. However, by the early 20th century, it began to be used metaphorically to describe shocking news or events. The phrase, "dropping a bombshell," became a popular way to describe delivering unexpected news, painting a vivid picture of the surprise and chaos that such news can bring. Let's look at some examples of how "that's a bombshell" might be used in everyday conversation. 1. In personal news, imagine a friend reveals out of nowhere that they're moving to another country next week. You might respond with, "Wow, that's a bombshell," because the news is unexpected and has a big impact on your relationship. 2. In public news, when a celebrity announces their sudden retirement from public life, news outlets might describe the announcement as a bombshell, highlighting its unexpected nature and the wide-reaching reactions it provokes. 3. In storytelling, in movies or books, a character might discover a secret that changes the entire course of the story. This moment could be referred to as a bombshell because it alters the audience's understanding of the plot in a dramatic way. Using this phrase correctly means understanding the context and the impact of the news. It's best used when the information is truly surprising or unexpected. The news has significant consequences or changes the situation dramatically. You want to emphasize the emotional or situational impact of the news. Remember, because "that's a bombshell" conveys a strong reaction. It's important to use it in situations where the emotional weight of the news justifies such a response. And there you have it, a comprehensive look at the phrase, "that's a bombshell." We hope this video has illuminated not just the meaning of the phrase but also its origins, uses, and the context in which it's most appropriate. English is a rich and vibrant language, full of expressions that can add color and depth to your conversations. Thanks for watching, and we hope you found this explanation helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into the English language. See you in the next video.